Hello, friends. Today, I will explain the use of modal verbs in English. Modal verbs are very important because they help us express ability, permission, possibility, advice, obligation, and future actions. We will look at some common modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, have to, should, will, and would. Let's begin. First, can. We use can to talk about ability, permission, and possibility. For example, I can swim, she can drive, I can swim very fast, and can I come in? It is one of the most common modal verbs in English. Next, could. We use could for past ability, polite requests, and possibility. For example, I could swim when I was 5 years old. She could help you tomorrow. Could you open the door? And it could be true. It sounds more polite than can. Now, may. We use may for permission and possibility. For example, you may leave now. May I ask a question? And it may rain later. It is often used in formal English. Next is might. We use might to talk about weak possibility or something uncertain. For example, it might rain later. She might come tonight. We might miss the bus. And he might be at home. Now, must. We use must for strong obligation or necessity. For example, you must wear a seatbelt. I must finish this work. She must study harder. And we must follow the rules. It shows something very important. Next, have to. We use have to for external obligation or rules. For example, I have to wake up early. She has to work today. We have to leave now. And they have to wear uniforms. It often describes rules or responsibilities. Now, should. We use should for advice and recommendations. For example, you should eat healthy food. She should rest more. He should call his parents. And we should try again. It is used when giving suggestions. Next, will. We use will for future actions, decisions, promises, and predictions. For example, I will call you. She will help you. We will travel tomorrow. And they will arrive soon. Finally, would. We use would for polite requests, offers, imaginary situations, and past habits. For example, would you like some coffee? I would help you anytime. Would you please sit down? And when I was young, I would play outside. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.